Welcome to Cerberus, Commander. Thank you for participating in our endeavor to make the world a better place. Cerberus is a fun, serious game that aims at tackling real-world problems, and we want you to help us help others by identifying certain features on our satellite maps that will contribute in meaningful scientific research and impactful crisis support. Are you ready to take your first step? Great. Let's begin. This is your Project Management Center. Here, you can view all available project maps and their stats. You can also select which units to deploy. So, let's break things down. This is your map selection interface. You can rotate the globe and select the map you wish to explore. This is the map description display. Here, you can read a brief info about the selected map and check your progression. For this tutorial, let's choose the Amazonian Oils map. Great. Now you are ready to choose the units you need to deploy in the map. This is the unit selection interface. There are 3 types of units, each with its own unique abilities and properties that together can ease your mapping missions. The Phoenix, the crown jewel of the fleet, is in charge of firing mapping probes to identify special features on the map. The Raven, fastest of all units, is used to quickly explore and uncover large areas of the map. And the Albatross, a large support unit that provides essential resources for other units such as probes and fuel. Now, let's select one unit of each to build the fleet. You're almost ready, but first, let's check the mission status. The mission status shows the number of probes fired in the selected map. Each map has its own features that will be mapped out by firing feature-specific probes. For this map, Amazonian Oils, you should be looking for 8 different features: bare soil, palm oil plantations, vegetations and agriculture, buildings and communities, main roads and infrastructure, natural rainforests, rivers and lakes, and finally, clouds. Now you are ready. Let's start your first mission by pressing the Start button. This is the map you will be exploring. Let's start with the navigation and basic layout. You can navigate throughout the map by left-clicking and dragging across the map. On the bottom right corner, you can see the Map Filters and Intelligence slider. And at the bottom lays the Quick Unit Selection interface, where you can easily select the deployed units. Let's choose the Phoenix from the Quick Unit Selection interface. On the bottom left, you can find the Unit Control interface, which allows you to perform actions specific to each unit. To move your unit, right-click any place on the map, or use the Unit Control interface by clicking the Move button. Highlight the Move icon, and click on the map. Now, let's learn about mapping and how to effectively use probes to identify maps' special features. To identify maps' features, let's go to the Probe book located on the top of your screen. The Probe book allows you to add, remove different types of mapping probes, as well as provide you with the description needed to map efficiently using the Intelligence slider. For example, let's look for areas with rainforests which have been under recent threats of deforestation. We have pre-selected 6 probes for you in the Quick Access wheel, but you can easily replace or remove any probe by clicking the Remove from Wheel and Add to Wheel buttons. Reading the probe description, you can easily recognize the color and shape of the feature you are looking for with aid from the Map Intelligence slider. In case of the natural rainforest probe, you can recognize it by looking for large continuous dark green areas in the normal map and bright green ones in the Intelligence map. Let's choose the Map Intelligence slider and look for the natural rainforests by using the slider. Now, let's choose the Phoenix and click on the probe icon below the unit. As you can see, there are 6 probes you can choose from. Let's choose the Rainforest probe and left-click on the hexagons that cover the large bright green areas within the unit's firing range. Great! You've taken your first step in protecting the rainforests. Cerberus is relying on crowdsourcing to ensure the quality of the mapping process. The more people that mark this area with the same probe, the more credits you get per hour. Let's now get back to the Project Management Center and examine more options. Click on the Exit Map button at the top to go back. You can examine your units and manage the fleet by clicking on the Fleet Management icon. Here, you can view information about your units, upgrade them, equip modules, and even change how they look. First, you have the Unit Selection bar. Here, you can select a unit to view and manage. Let's choose a Phoenix unit. This is the Unit Description tab. This tab shows the equipped modules, which you can buy and equip to upgrade the unit and enhance their stats for a better mapping experience. This is the unit specs display showing the selected unit stats. Here, you can see how much fuel and probes the unit has. You can also use these buttons to refuel, upgrade, and add probes to your unit. Now, let's equip the Phoenix unit with a module to increase its probe capacity. To do that, let's first go to the Module Management tab and purchase a Probe Capacity module. The Module Management tab has three main sections: Module Store showing available modules for research and purchase, Module Description section showing additional information, and Module Inventory for storing your purchased modules. You can unlock more space by purchasing the locked slots or as you level up in the game. Let's choose a Probe Capacity module from the Module Store and click Buy. Great! Now you can equip the Phoenix with the newly purchased module and increase its probe capacity. Let's get back to the Unit Management tab by clicking on the Unit Management tab icon. To equip the new module, select the module icon within the Unit Management tab. Select the newly purchased module and click Equip. You can see the Phoenix unit got upgraded. You can see the upgrade's effects in the unit specs. You can also switch your unit's class from the Class Switch menu. To switch your unit, just click a different class and click on the Switch button. Do you wish to add more color to your units? You can change the looks of a unit from Unit Skin menu. Just click on any skin you like to preview on your unit and buy to equip. Now that you know how to manage your fleet, it's time to go do some mapping, Commander. Best of luck. We're counting on you.